Look at that. Whoo-wee. That's how you do it right there. That's some good stuff, man. Can't wait to eat that bad boy. Alright, I'll catch you after a while when it's done. Alright guys, there she is. I'm about to let her rest a little bit. So I'll pull her off, let her sit a few minutes. And once that's ready, it'll be time to eat. Catch you in a minute. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Steak cooked right on the coals. It's kind of weird how, you know, more of the coal doesn't actually stick to it. I guess it's the steam that comes off of it when it's cooking. Maybe that's why, but whatever the reason may be, you end up with a great product. You don't need a skillet or a pan or a grill or anything for a steak. You could throw that bad boy right on the coals if you're careful. So let's give it a try. Sorry I don't have it quite in frame for you, but that's all right. I think we're gonna be just fine anyway. Oh yeah, cook's not too bad. I have a fork in there, but let's just face it, my knee hurts, I'm lazy, and I don't want to go get it. So just a little pink. You can't see it, but just a little pink left in the middle. Nothing left but the taste test. Oh man. Oh. So, now, to be honest with you, this steak was marinated first in beer. So, it still has a great beer flavor to it, along with the searing, along with the Old Bay that I put on top of it. Man. Alright guys. If it's actually the food, or the fact that I'm out in the woods, if I still think it tastes amazing, does it really matter why? I don't think it really matters why at all. I think if it's good, it's good. Roll with it. So anyway, gosh, I'm gonna eat in front of you one more time, one more bite, just because it's so good. But then I'll turn the camera off and stop being rude. There's probably a law against this. There has to be. Nothing this good is legal anymore, you know what I mean? Gosh. Alright. Okay, I'm out. I'll catch you in a little bit. Let me turn this thing off. And one more little peek. Can you see the inside? I don't know. Yeah, there you go. You see it alright. Not bad. Man. That's how it's done. Well, I'm going to sit here, polish this off, have a cigar. Maybe we'll have a little chat. So, I'll catch you in a minute.